Hi, my name is Dr. Benjamin Park, and welcome to my channel where I geek out on the history of American religion, politics, and culture. If you haven't noticed, our society is often prone to overreaction, often calling things unprecedented and assuming everything we experience now is new. This perspective, while fulfilling our emotional desires, limits our understanding. Because while the past does not contain all the answers for our current predicament, it does give context to the present world. Learning about what happened before helps us understand how we arrived here, as well as where we might be going in the future. Further, the world of academic history can often appear quite impenetrable to those outside the stuffy ivory towers, which is unfortunate because there's never been more of a need for qualified historical voices adding to our cacophonous public discourse as there is today. And yes, I know using words like cacophonous is part of the problem. Now, a little bit about me. I'm a professor of history at a public university and the award-winning author or editor of 5 books on America's past. I've received 4 degrees over my education, including a bachelor's degree in English from Brigham Young University, a master's degree in theology from the University of Edinburgh's Divinity School, a master's degree in politics from the University of Cambridge, and a PhD in history also from the University of Cambridge. I'm probably best known for a couple of books I've written on Mormon history: Kingdom Nauvoo, The Rise and Fall of a Religious Empire on the American Frontier, which won the Mormon History Association's Best Book Award and has been optioned for a feature film or dramatic series, as well as American Zion, A New History of Mormonism, which was published about a year ago and was listed as one of the best books of 2024 by The New Yorker. But I've also published widely on a diverse range of American religious, political, and cultural issues, including over 50 essays in national periodicals like the Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, Time, and Newsweek, and I maintain a devout focus on trying to speak to a general public on the importance of history. Now, my goal for this channel is to help bridge the two worlds of, on the one hand, academic historical writing, and on the other, the general public. I hope to add some context to our current historical moment, showing who were the people, events, ideas, and moments that brought us to where we are today. I also hope to highlight some of the excellent work being done in the historical community. Not to assign homework, although my students will readily attest that I love to assign homework, but to rather add important voices to your own research and understanding. And while I'll certainly be talking a lot about the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and the many fascinating stories and lessons and meanings that come out of the Mormon tradition, which, is a topic of some of my scholarship, I'll also be discussing broader issues in American cultural, religious, and political history. For instance, I'm currently working on a book on the role of religion in America's abolitionist movement, so I'll probably have a lot to say about that as well. Now, I'll be posting at least one form deep dive on some historical topic every week, but I'll also be posting several shorter videos every week that are responding to questions, further elaborating on topics, or recommending new books, or responding to current events. I hope this channel can add some context to our current moment, as well as help elevate our heated conversations. If you want to join me on this journey, and I hope you do, I hope you subscribe to this channel so we can all geek out on the lessons of the past together.